Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today I explain you ray diagram by convex lens and concave lens. So here this one is a convex lens. It is thicker in the middle than the ends. First you draw a straight line through the center of the lens like this. After that, after this one, you draw a straight line like this. This is called principal axis and these two are the focal point. This one is a 2 times distance of the focal point. Now first I explain you rules. Now just see. Sometimes this one is called center of curvature. Here the rule number 1. So drawing a ray diagram for convex lens. So the rule 1 is a ray passes through the optical center of the lens will not be refracted. So this one is the optical center and the ray which is passes through this one will not be refracted. Okay, will not be refracted. So it moves straight. It goes straight. This one is the optical center. Okay, now the rule number 2 is a ray which comes parallel to the principal axis. It passes through the focus. Okay, this is the rule number 2. A ray parallel to the principal axis of the lens will be reflected, passes through the principal focus like this. And the rule number 3 is, this one is the rule number 3. It is the opposite of rule number 2. And here it is moves. Yes, this is the rule number 2. Right everyone? The ray passes through the principal focus. It moves parallel to the principal axis. So these are the 3 rules. Now here the summary is, the first rule is a ray passes through the optical center, will not be refracted. Parallel ray passes through the focus. A ray passes through principal focus, will be refracted parallel. So these are the rules. So it is a convex lens and this one is a focal point and it is 2 into focal point, means 2 times a focal point. This is the focal length. Okay, now here we find the image when the object is beyond the 2f, at 2f, this is the beyond 2f and it is 2f here also for and this one in middle of the 2f and f and between the pole and the focus. And after that we find its location of the image, size and all that. So here it is a converging lens and the object is at beyond 2f, 2 times of focal length. This is the object. You need to learn the rules. You have to apply that rules. Okay, so here the first one is we draw. This one is parallel to the principal axis. After the refraction, it goes through the focus as per the rules. It is parallel to principal axis, so it passes through the focus. Right? The next rule is opposite of this rule. Means a ray which passes through the focus. It moves after the refraction. It moves parallel to the principal axis. So see here, it moves parallel to the principal axis. Right? One is a ray which passes through the optical center. It moves straight and wherever they intersect it, you will get the image. and image is inverted. It is an inverted image between f and 2f. Okay, first one is between f and 2f. It is between f and 2f. It is diminished, very small in size, and it is inverted. And one more thing, it is real. Right, now come to the next thing. And similarly, when the object is at 2f, one ray goes parallel to principal axis, then through focus, then the same way you will get. It is at 2f position and with the same size, d is equal to 2f and same size and inverted and a real image you will get. Okay, now come to the next one. The next one is when the object is in between focus and 2f, and the first ray goes parallel and then it goes through the focus, then goes to parallel to the principal axis and then center of curvature, and the image you will get which is beyond the 2f, and it is inverted, magnified in size and real. Right, now next is when the object is at focus. First ray, okay, first is for the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, then it goes through the focus. The next one is the ray which passes through the optical center. It moves straight, and just see where you will get a parallel line. It means you will get the image at infinity. Right, these are the parallel rays. No image you will get, so you can say image will be at infinity. Right, now come to the next one. The object is in between focus and optical center. So first ray moves parallel to the principal axis. Just see this one, and it passes through the focus. Ray is through the optical center. Just see this one, and it moves straight. Just see this one. These two rays never meet to each other. These two are diverging rays. So we trace them backward like this. Just see this one. They intersected at this point. So here you will get the image. And this one is in between focus and twice of focus. And this is a magnified image and behind the mirror, behind the object, you can say. And image is erect and virtual. This one is a virtual image you will get. Right, everyone? Magnified, erect and virtual. Thank you, everyone.